Good morning, students. I, Rajesh Bala, your social science teacher, will teach you today Chapter 2 of Economics People as Resource, Part 4. In our previous part, we read about the government's different schemes or policies by which government wants to improve the literacy rate and education more. Now we are going to discuss second more important topic, that is health. Do you think any firm would be induced to employ people who might not work efficiently as healthy workers because of ill health? The health of a person helps him to realize his or her potentials and abilities to fight illness. He or she will not be able to maximize his or her output to the overall growth of the organization. Health is an indispensable basis for realizing one's well-being. Henceforth, improvement in the health status of the population has been the priority of the country. Our national policy too aims at improving the accessibility of healthcare. You can see here data is given about the year wise 1951, then 1981, and then 2001. How medical situation is there, dispensaries, beds, doctor, nurse, staff, how much. Now let us talk about one more important factor, that is unemployment. What is unemployment? Unemployment is a situation when a person is ready to do the work on running wages but don't find job. In case of India, we have unemployment in rural and urban areas. However, the nature of unemployment differs in rural and urban areas. Let us read how it is different in these areas. In case of rural areas, there is seasonal and disguised unemployment. Urban areas have mostly educated unemployment. Now let us talk about the seasonal unemployment. What is this? As the words are explaining, seasonal means that is for a particular season. It happens when a person is not able to find job during some month of the year. People dependent upon agriculture usually face such kind of problem. There are certain busy seasons when sowing, harvesting, weeding and threshing is done. Certain months do not provide much work to the people dependent on agriculture. Let us see the condition of unemployment. People, they are standing in a queue with their resume, and what is their condition? They are suffering from poverty and there is no employment. Now second, disguised unemployment. What is disguised unemployment? In case of disguised unemployment, people appear to be employed. They have agricultural plot where they are finding work. This usually happens among family members engaged in agricultural activity. The work requires the services of 5 people but engage 8 people. 3 people are extra there. These 3 people also work in same plot as the others are doing. The contribution made by the 3 extra people doesn't add to the contribution of made by 5 people. If 3 people are removed, the productivity of field will not decline. No effect will be there. The field requires the services of 5 people only, and the 3 extra people are facing disguised unemployment. Now let us talk about the urban areas unemployment. What type of unemployment may be seen there? In case of urban areas, educated unemployment has become the common phenomenon. Many youth with matriculation, graduation and post-graduation degrees are not able to find job. A study showed that unemployment of graduate and postgraduate has increased faster than among the matriculates. A paradoxical manpower situation is witnessed as surplus of manpower in certain categories coexist with shortage of manpower in others. There is unemployment among technically qualified persons on one hand, while there is a dearth of technical skills required for economic growth. Unemployment leads to vast. So, thank you. Next, we will do in our next video.